Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload shorts in YouTube from your iOS device. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your YouTube app. Then to upload shorts, you have to click on the plus sign which is on the bottom middle. Now here you have to click on create a shorts. It would like to access your camera. Now here you can directly record here and then put a short. Or you can do is, you can see a square box in the bottom left corner. Click on it and then allow. Then it will allow you to make sure the video is on the frame of your screen. Mind that the video should not be in other ratios. Now you can edit the video here, you can crop it, and when you're done, click on done in the bottom right corner. So it's done maybe, so click on tick mark which is on the bottom right corner. Edit your videos again. You can add text, music or filter, then click on next. Add caption and then click on upload shorts. For now I'm gonna put it to public. You can publish it publicly or unlisted. You can also put schedule. And then you just have to do is upload shorts. And that is how you upload shorts in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.